Hey all, today I just wanted to do a really quick video. We got Black Friday coming up, and I wanted to share with you some Amazon links that I found. So the links will be down in the description. They're associate links, so if you shop from them, that would be awesome and help out the channel. And of course, here's the get it out of the way stuff. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff really helps out the channel, and I appreciate it. Also want to say happy Thanksgiving or just Turkey Day, whatever you consider it, but hope you can be with family or friends or however you like to celebrate that day and have a great time. And go Pack Go. Also want to say, take this time to just thank everybody who watches. If you guys smash a like, smash a subscribe, it'd be awesome, but really appreciate all the views and everything over the past couple of years. I'm going to keep it going and do my best and try to not add a little fluff, which means let's get into this document. So basically I printed this out. I don't have any links. The links will be in the description. So if you want to stop watching at this point and just click the links and go find the deals, that's fine with me, but I'll talk a little bit about stuff. So the first one will be the Bluetooth receiver. That's so I can use my corded headphones so I don't drop the AirPods at work. That's on Black Friday deal at Amazon. And all of these, except for one or two, are going to be Amazon links. There is a 36 slot memory card case, and I forget how many large the normal SD cards versus the micros, because like the micros, it can carry, it'll hold like two underneath the micro S or the standard SD card. Really recommend this. I've had mine for 2 years. I think it's under like $8 now. It's a really great SD card case, and I use it for my camera and my GoPro when we travel. Then there's a camera bag insert. If you saw my travel video, it is a little bit on the smaller side. It's not perfect, but it's actually it works perfect as a component for me packing a back camera in a backpack to get through as a personal item. The Leatherman, the Big Kit, and the Skeletal for sure are on Black Friday deal. Now, of course, when you're looking at these Black Friday deals, they may be super deals and they may be just kind of run-of-the-mill deals, but those are two that I have and use, and they are on deal. Next tool, not the cool new F12 or the new mini flagship, the standard, the old mini flagship, which I have and love, is on Black Friday deal. The TomTalk 4-liter EDC compact sling bag is on Black Friday deal. That is an awesome bag. I got a couple of them. Love that bag. Use the heck out of it. The Valhalla Slim EDC knife, which I did a video on recently, which I've gotten. Actually, it's a great little knife. Very nice action. The blade, it's a high hardness D2. Used it as a paring knife when I was prepping, not broccoli, cauliflower. Very nice little knife, easy carry. And we got the Wuben X4, got both Amazon associate link and then the link to Wuben. That's on a nice sale for, I think it's like $38.99 or call it $39. The Wurkkos HD50, that is also on sale right now. And we got Viperade has a very mixed bag on stuff for sale. Haha, pouch. So they got the Viperade VE10, which is a great little just everyday pouch. That's on Black Friday deal. The VE30 is also on Black Friday deal. And the TomTalk small tech pouch. That would be the tech pouch that lost out to the Timberland tech pouch in my video last night or the day before. That pouch is also on Black Friday deal, and I'm sure other TomTalk products are as well, but those are ones that I've used and I had the links to. So the Initech Crossbody Sling X Mini. So now that I've used it, I've noticed, and then the Initech new electronics organizer. Now I'm really surprised. Now Amazon is a weird thing. They say a lot of people return them, but yet these products have like 4.7-star reviews. I like both of them. I think the problem is, I think with a lot of mini stuff, even the VE31, which is probably my favorite vibrate pouch, I think people see them on the website and they think they're going to be larger, and they're not. And then when they get them, because they're not larger, they return them. Yes, the Initech, I'll have a review coming out soon, but I've carried that better part of a week now, and I really like the Crossbody Sling Mini X. It's got a lot of pockets, a lot of storage, but yeah, it's not a huge pouch. It's, you know, it's probably smaller than the Lole or the Lululemon. Might be a little smaller than that, but it's on the order of that size sling, so you're not going to carry a lot. But for what it is, it's an awesome sling. Off my soapbox, but all right. Now my favorite EDC everyday carry, my Pants Saver safety pins. Those are, believe it or not, on a Black Friday deal. The card holder sleeves that I use for, like, the credit card holder sleeves that I use to do fire, like, not fire kits, but you could do a fire kit in them, like first aid kits and whatnot. Just first aid kits, sewing kit, whatever. Those are also on Black Friday. Those new torque spits I got, the Swan Lake, those are on Black Friday deal. Now I've got the Sharpie S Gel Colors pack, which I think is awesome because, yeah, that's kind of my jam. But I'm sure a lot of Sharpie S Gel products are on Black Friday deal, but the S Gel Colors were definitely on Black Friday deal. Now, there is one knife on here. These are all Kaisers. There's the two knives at the end, the three at the end I have not bought. They're on my list to get. I probably won't get them this Black Friday cycle, but here's to hoping. So the Kaiser Nice Guy, it's they've got a D2 version with G10 scales. I think it's 27 and change. They've got a Nitro V version with rich light scales, and it's like 33 and change. Both really good deals. It's a 2.84 inch. I think it's like a drop point blade. I forget the exact blade style, but I've got a buddy at work that has one, and he got it recently. Really likes it. Now the one knife, they've got the Kaiser Milita, the standard one, the Nitro V blade, on sale for a very nice price, and that's probably one of my top three knives. It kind of goes between the Bel Air, the Milita, and the Nanner. I wish if the Nanner had better blade steel than the ARMP9 and maybe had a little bit more heft to it, a little bit heavier knife, it would probably be number one. But right now, the Bel Air is probably my number one go-to, and the Milita and the Nanner are kind of tied, and for different reasons. One's, you know, they two together are just like the perfect knife. So enough on that. The Kaiser Smolt, which is a fixie that I have had my eyes on. They've got the 2.93 inch fixed blade. It's a 154 cm. It's actually it's a very good price for that. And there's a Kaiser Yorkie. It's a PEI scales, and that's the only one that appears to be on a really good sale for Black Friday. But it's for a 2.58 inch, so it's a small knife, Nitro V blade steel. The price is right on it, so if that looks like a knife you would like, yeah, I've got three Kaisers and I like every one of them. I've had really good luck with Kaiser. So, and then I've got the Civivi Elementum slip joint. I didn't see that one on sale on my quick look, but I've had my eyes on that little mini Elementum. It's actually at a really good price right now. It's a 14C28N. It's a 1.83 inch knife, blade length, so it's a really small knife. So it's kind of, I guess you would consider it a keychain knife, but that's on Black Friday sale. So yeah, I will put all these links in there, and yeah, hope everybody if you're staying home, enjoy the Turkey Day. If you have traveling, safe travels. and enjoy the long weekend. If you got to work, hopefully you get some time to chill out and relax also. Take care, everyone. Have a good one.